also have the Aimpoint Micro H-2. It's very similar to the original T-1, a more budget line, more updated. T-1 is now quite old, so the H-2 is a good alternative to that if you can't get a T-1. Yes, this is a 2 MOA darts. It's very clean. Aimpoint set the standard when it comes to these micro red dots.